So hello everyone, today we're going to see how to free up space on Windows free. So the first thing that we want to do is to go to the start menu and find delete temporary files and click on it. Now you're going to see some settings. We should go here on the cleanup recommendations and then go on the temporary files and see updated options. And here you're going to choose the thumbnails, the recycle bin, and you can choose whatever you want. And you can even choose the downloads folder if you want to delete it. You can see even without the downloads folder, that is 45 gigabytes, we still have 1.7 gigabytes to remove, which is very good. So let's remove those files. And you can see now that we earned almost 2 gigabytes for free in our Windows PC. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.